How to fix any issue or any error you're having on your Epic Games account or Epic Games application on Epic Games website on your phone. To solve this error or to solve any issue with Epic Games, if you're facing it on your phone, so this may be due to the network connection or lagging of your phone. If your phone is not operating so smoothly, then you can face this type of error usually. How you can solve it is, like, this is my Epic Games website open in front of my me, and if I have the application also, the same thing will be same, and you have to do the same thing with both formats. Now, the main thing is you should up scroll your browser or application like this, and you can simply delete them from this menu. And just after this, you should swipe like this. If you have Android, you should switch on your flight mode. If you have iOS, you should choose the flight mode, and you can restart your device. After that, you will see that you will not face any type of error like this once you restart your device. Thank you so much for watching this video.